Good morning to all. My name is Vikram Nirgatti. In this video, I would like to discuss about the machine learning tools, how to implement the machine learning algorithms in real time with real problems. In previous video and previous class, I said that coding is necessary to for communicating with the machines. Here we are communicating with machine. Machines knows binary language, and where we knows English language, where both machine and the human being cannot understand. That's why to fill this gap we require a programming language where it can able to convert binary language to high level language and high level language to binary language with the help of compilers or translators. For the machine learning we use two kind of programming language. One is the Python and other one is the R programming language. When you come into the Python programming language, we can able to implement the real-time problems on machine learning with the help of the tools Anaconda, Spyder, and Jupyter and Notebook. And particularly Python is a vast where we can solve many kind of real-time problems. When particularly coming to the AI problems, you need to be well prepared with the Python modules like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Keras, and MATLAB. Keras is particularly designed for the deep learning concepts. So these all modules we need to be familiar, and we can implement with the help of the softwares Anaconda, Spyder, and Jupyter Notebook. Let me show the IDEs, how it looks and where we can able to do it out. Already I have downloaded the Anaconda, so I would like to open the Anaconda now. If you want to download it out, just it's a free source, it's a open source, everybody can download it out. Just type Anaconda Python. It will take us to the directly click Anaconda Python 3.6 download. You click on the link. You can see here where to download it out. See, this is how it looks. Once you download, this is how it looks. See the example screenshots. Here you can able to download the Anaconda from this website. Okay, here it's downloading. Already I have installed the Anaconda. I will show you the downloaded Anaconda. This is the Anaconda Navigator. After the downloading the Anaconda from that website, you need to install it out. Once you install the Anaconda, you can see this Navigator. In this Navigator, you can see the different softwares like Jupyter Laboratory, Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, etc., etc. Within this itself, R as well is there, R Studio. Already I have launched this notebook, Jupyter, and the Spyder. Let me open you separately. Spyder is opening. Already I have installed the Jupyter Lab and Notebook and Spyder. That's why you can able to see the icons launch. If you didn't install, means you can install from here by clicking on here. See, this is how the Spyder looks. This is the programming environment. of the Spyder. This is a Spyder Python 3.7 version. You can go to file and you can take the new file and you can write the programs here like this. I have already written some import pandas. I have imported the iris dataset here to apply some machine learning here. Like this you can practice the all Python things, and similarly you can able to do the Python programs here. Once you run it out, you can see the output. See, this is the way to load the data set into the Python. Once you load data set into the Python, you run the algorithm. Make sure that the program and the data set should be in the same folder. You can see in the file explorer where those things are there. You can check it out. This is the, once you run the file, it will show here what is that. So this is the Spyder IDE. Let me show you the Jupyter notebook as well. It's a web-based interactive computing. See, here I can able to create the files. New Python. Here you can type the Python code, and straight away you can able to upload the things. See, this is how you can able to see the blocks of code here. You have declared a variable a, you have assigned a value 4 and you have printed it out. This is how. Whereas coming to the Spyder, you see the output will be in coming to the Spyder, here the code will be there and output you can able to see here in separate wings. In the console window you can see the output and you can write the code here in the editor. Whereas in the Jupyter, this is how. It's very interactive way. Immediately you can able to see the things. The Jupyter notebook, that's the thing. You select here Python 3 and you write straight out Python code. These tools we are using for the Python, for the machine learning things with the different modules, as I said before, like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Keras, and Matplotlib. If you want to draw the graphs, you can able to do it out. If you want to present the data, visualize the data in the form of histogram, pie chart, etc., you need to use the MATLAB kind of thing. If you are a beginner, you want to start from a scratch, you don't know anything, no need to worry. Once you install the Anaconda, you go to the Navigator learning platform. Here I can able to see how to work with pandas and how to work with different modules here. For example, if you want to learn with pandas, you just click on that, read it out. See, pandas. You install the pandas and you can see here the user guide. Click on the user guide. Here you can able to see the different code. For example, you want to visualize it out. See here, visualizing, how to do it out. You just copy and paste it here, code. This is the code where we are using to. Straight away you can use it out. I have imported the MATLAB library and I have declared the variable here and I close all. You can see the different code here. See, you just copy the code from here, you paste the Jupyter or Spyder ID and you can check it out. Like this you can learn here each and everything. See, tools, for example, you want to know about dataset, tools, text, CSV format, HDF, learn here. See, .csv like that. Indexing and selecting, how to indexing and how to selecting. See, different categories. Once you create a list or a tuple in the things, you can check it out here. I have used in the previous example the iLog. You can check it out. Like this, everything. See, you create the data here, etc., etc. I recommend you to open the cookbook and go from starting onwards. Here it will help to create the data set with the help of data frame. See, and then with the if then, what I need to do with the help of selecting the rules. See, like this, each and everything will be in this Anaconda idea itself. From starting, if you want to learn Python, you click on the Python tutorial. You try to learn each and every page. Each and everything will be here with the examples. You wanted to see sets. You just click on that. You can find the different things to learn about that. In this way, once you learn the Python and the different modules, and then various languages that we discussed in previous video and previous slides, you try to implement that with the help of these things. There ends the matter. Each and everything, pandas, if you want numpy, you click on numpy here. You can read it out clearly about everything. Sorry, this is how we will implement the machine learning algorithms on real-time data set. Clearly how to download the data. Different data sets will be for exercising purpose in different UCL library and University of Michigan libraries and etc. You as well can create the data sets based upon the data set. Once you upload that to the Python, your Python IDE, you write the code of Python, clearly the machine learning algorithm, and apply on the data set. You can see the clear things. This is how you can become the machine learning expert by using the tools hands-on and implementing it out. So in this webinar we have clearly discussed about all these learning methodologies, introduction and statistics, and then tools. What are the tools we need to use for the machine learning things? We used to provide the 6 months duration course as well, 30 hours, 60 hours like that. If anybody interested, you please contact to me, personal vikramnirgat@gmail.com, and I used to upload many videos on YouTube. Subscribe to it and like it, and you leave the comments if you have any doubts, any questions as well. You can leave as a comment over there. Thank you to all.